Hey guys, it's me Emma, and
You said it's me, Ella.
I said Emma, and this is Ella, and she is my sister. My four.
Eight. I'm eight.
We have
Oh, yeah.
5 siblings. We have three other siblings, and they are at Hebrew school right now.
No.
Well, not Cameron. Cameron's taking a nap, but yeah, I don't think we're gonna be putting her in this video. But right now, Ella's playing Roblox. Oh my gosh, I don't think you can hear. She is playing Roblox.
Oh, do we have to start over because we have to?
I can't show my Roblox. So let's just make a video and just like do our day in the life. What if we just show my slimes, okay? Okay, well, I'm going to do it while you play Roblox.
Hi.
So I have this new pink
Follow
sand
Ella Grodowski.
Yes. So our first slime. No, we're not doing that one. That's too messy.
Hi. Let me show this.
And I'm going to show this. No, I can't open it. Okay, I'm going to show this purple. Oh my gosh.
I'll show
We are going to show all my slimes, but I don't have many, so it won't take a while for you guys.
Follow her on TikTok
Yes.
and follow me on YouTube. It's Ella Grodowski.
Yeah. And subscribe. Oh my god.
This is so good.
It crackled.
Switch on the
No.
phone.
This is so fluffy.
This is so crackly.
This is fluffy. Put it away.
We just had a birthday party and it was fun.
Yeah.
But we got a little bit bored at one point.
Yeah, because this story.
Shout out to Asher the birthday boy.
Yes.
If you know Asher Jamvi, go
Asher Jamvi.
come by and say happy birthday.
Yep.
Woo, Jigglypuff.
He lives on. He lives on Hollow Road. So, Hollow Road 385, okay?
Ew,
Okay. Okay, so that's where he lives. So maybe you can stop by and say happy birthday.
And like and subscribe and share and turn on the bell for if you want to see more of us. I might not be in all her videos
Because she's usually at sleepovers because she's crazy about them.
in school.
Yeah.
I
Of course, school. Me and her go to school. Wait. I'm 8 years old now. I just turned 8.
No, you just turned
But
7.
no, I just turned 8, and you just turned. No, you just turned 11.
No, I just turned 9.
You just turned 11. Stop
No.
it.
No,
you
don't know me.
You just. Yes, I do. I'm your sister, girl. Yeah. Ella, just tell the truth. You're 11.
Fine. I don't want to be so old. Text in the comments if I'm old or not.
I'm 8, and also you're not old. When you turn 100-year-old. And also, I don't know why I said I'm 6 years old, but I'm not. I'm 8. This is like so good. I'm not even doing the next time. I'm going to pack this up right now. It's so good.
And all we play speedrunner.
And literally stop it. Ella. Oh no, something fell. Seriously, it fell. help?
What?
Can you help? Please.
Oh, nothing fell.
It fell back there.
What?
Come. It fell in here. Back there. Can you reach?
Maybe.
No, it didn't. No, it fell all the way back there. There's a floor on there. Okay. Sorry, guys. No, put it in here.
Okay. Sorry, we're having some technical difficulties.
Yeah.
I can't get it out. Which slime?
It was the purple one.
Have you were playing it? I don't think I can get it.
Okay. This is bad.
Really bad.
It's my sister's slime.
If you wanna.
Okay, guys, I think we have to end the video because we have technical difficulties right now, so maybe we'll just make another one, okay?